everyone, my name is Maddie. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. And today I would like to say Happy New Year's as we end 2022 and go into 2023. I'm very excited for the new year, and I'm excited for new opportunities and possibilities that are happening in the new year. I'm getting a new job, so I'll be working for a tech company, and then also I'll be teaching fitness again, and I just have like a lot of new stuff coming my way, so I'm really excited. Today we went shopping. When I say me, we, I mean my husband and my son and I, we went to the mall. First we went to Nordstrom to check out their semi-annual sale, and I honestly didn't really see anything. I checked out their kids section to see if I could get my son some pants. Couldn't really find anything, but we did go to the Nordstrom's cafe, and that was really fun. I always like getting their artichoke dip, and then I also like getting, their turkey club and a glass of wine. So that was really fun, and I just like going with my husband. Sometimes he doesn't always like going to the mall and stuff, so when I do get to share activities that I like, I really enjoy it. So today I'm doing an unboxing with you. I did stop by Louis Vuitton. I didn't think I was going to buy anything because I honestly didn't think they had the item that I wanted, but I ended up buying something, so I'm just going to show you what I got. First off, the SA, she gave me 2 samples. One of them is called Dancing Blossom. This one smells really good. I actually have it on, and it's one of my new favorites. And then she got me this one, which is more of a cologne, and that's from my husband. My husband's not the type to really wear a lot of cologne, but I like having a little sample in case we do go out. We have that there. Last month, I did end up going to the mall, and I went to Gucci, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. I did get something from Louis Vuitton, and let me show you what I got. So this item I got, like I said, I got it a month ago, and I got some perfume. This is what it's called. It smells really good. It's one of the more popular ones, but I'm really happy I got it. So I got this at the end of November, and then for Christmas, my husband got me the Chanel Chance, which smells really good. So I like changing up my fragrance. The one nice thing about this Louis Vuitton one, even though it did cost me $280, something like that, once it's all gone, I can go back in and they can refill it for like 180, something like that. So I like how I can refill my favorite fragrances. If I end up liking this Dancing Blossom one, I might actually go back and get that one as well. I don't always buy full-size perfumes. I like getting the little samples of the little roll-on so I can put them in my purse. But if it's a really good scent, I will buy a full bottle. Okay, so let's get started on what you guys were all here for. It's this big bag right here. They released another book, and I'm very excited. The last book that I got was when I bought my Pochette Métis, and I'll link that video up in the cards. But I always like getting the little books like this. Now that I have an actual section in my office for Louis Vuitton and my designer stuff, I will be putting my books on display, and I just need to go and find all my other ones from my move. But this is like their latest one, and I love it. I love displaying the little fashion books, and then just because they're so slim and slender. I don't know if I'm going to put them all like here in my office or if I'm going to display them around the house. But no, I love having these, especially since you buy something and they initially give you this for free. Okay, let's do the big unboxing. So here it is. I don't like it when they tie it in knots because it makes it even more difficult to get off. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, I got it off. So here's this. Open it. Now this item I've had my eye on for a little bit. Mainly because with my moving and everything, I had all my makeup and all my skincare in multiple pouches. And it was a nightmare. And I really wanted just one thing to house everything. So knowing that, I'm guessing you guys know what it is. This is the Nice BB. This is what it looks like. I was going to go for the mini, but I have a Michael Kors Vanity, the same size as the mini, and I love it. And I thought, well, what's the point of getting another one when I already have one that was $80 and it serves the same purpose. This one is, as you can see, much larger. The vachetta right here, I did order apple guards so then I can spray it so it can patina, but I don't have to worry about water stains or anything like that. In my bathroom, there's a separate door that leads to the toilet, and there's shelving on there, and I think I might put that in there, or I might just put this in my closet with my makeup. But I did, like I said, I did want to spray it with apple guard just to make sure this didn't get any watermarks on it. And then I also ordered an organizer for this as well, so I'm going to wait for that. I don't think I'm going to move anything into this until I actually get my organizer, until I actually get my apple guard, because I don't want to ruin anything. But this is the top part, so here you can put your makeup brushes. I have a bunch of little eye masks, so I might put that in there as well. But no, I really like this, especially if you have eye masks, facial masks, stuff like that. There's a pocket right here. And then you got two pockets right there. But no, I love how it's like an open bucket. Super nice. But this is what I got. Let me go ahead, just for fun. So I have my Louis Vuitton, and it will fit just perfectly right in there on the corner. But obviously I'm gonna wait until I get my organizer so then nothing spills. I like how this is a wipeable material. The essay, she was telling me if I got like wet wipes, like water wipes that no fragrance, I could just wipe it out and it will help it not get as dirty. But I'm very excited about this. This is my new item. I figured I should treat myself since I am getting a new job and I'm just moving up in life, I feel like. So this is something I bought. I did buy another handbag, and I will do another unboxing for that because it hasn't arrived yet. And then if you guys want to see me pack this, if you want a packing video with this and my organizer and having me show you how to spray this with apple guard, please leave a comment in below. That way I know I need to film it. But if you guys don't want to see how I pack it, I won't film it. The packing cube I got is a cream color. I got it from Zumoni, and I got like the super thin one. I'm super excited. I have a Zumoni organizer for my Pochette Métis, and I decided to go with that same company again because I just really liked their organizers. But yeah, this is all I have for you today. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you want me to pack it. And I hope everyone here has a happy new year. And I hope your new year goes fantastic tonight and also throughout this upcoming year, and that you guys get everything that you want and that you meet all of your goals. Thank you. Bye.